The Delta Tau Data Systems 602406-103 is a member of the pmac 2 lite family of process controls. This particular unit came from a semiconductor facility and required a rebuild, but also had a memory issue. This process controller is programmable for any input-output control via the custom software, and in order to fully test this system, we built a test system to check out the board. As shown in the video, the board has inputs and outputs, which we fully test and display on the screen, which we custom created. We also integrated a Yaskawa servo drive system into the mix, so we could confirm the operation of the feedback inputs into the system and verify we could fully operate a motor control using this system. At ERD, we spend large amounts of effort to fully test the units we receive for repair, and this is one of the primary reasons we offer our 3-year warranty. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.